we are so excited to be planning our next route. So we are moving from Western Colorado to Eastern Kansas, and that's kind of a long haul through a lot of middle of nowhere land. So I thought I would share with you some of the tips we use as planning those. Russ doesn't like to drive for more than 6 hours a day. And the reason that we kind of cap our travel time at about 6 hours a day is because 6 hour travel time or drive time really means that that's about an 8.5 hour day of driving, because there's so much involved in every stop that we take. We've got to take the dogs out and let them use the restroom. We've got to fill up the truck. We've got to make sure we're maneuvering around whatever space we have. Generally speaking, we make sandwiches out of the trailer or just grab some food for lunchtime so that we have plenty of snacks and stuff ahead of time. We don't have to buy those at gas stations and whatnot, because that just racks up the bill as you're going. And we actually obviously have to make accommodations for the size of our vehicle. That's the other reason we've got a minimum 2 hour boost on anything that we do because of the size of our rig. It takes us longer to get through town. It takes us longer to get up a mountain. It takes us a little bit longer just to do the normal thing. So those are a couple of my travel tips, and we will absolutely keep you posted on what our exact route is and how we get there. We're excited to be utilizing a new community membership that we have, which I will tell you all about at another time, so that we can make our travels as seamless and fun, if there is a thing, as possible as we are moving from one location to the next. So if I think of anything else, I will absolutely share it, but I highly recommend a cap at 6 hours of drive time, whatever that mileage looks like where you're at.